Hey guys, welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. How are you? Hope you're doing well. I'm doing fine. I went into CVS to exchange a blood pressure monitor that I bought. I don't know what happened. It just broke down all of a sudden. But I went back in and to exchange it, and I bought the monitor back in January. And of course, they couldn't refund my money because I had to have it back in March in order to get my money back. But I didn't want the money back. I wanted just a credit, and a credit is what they gave me. So what I did was I went and I bought this Series 600 wrist monitor, which I had a wrist monitor before, but I bought another one, and it was $69.99, and I show you right here that it was $69.99, and I used the money card that I got back, and look what I got back, $15. Woohoo! So I earned $15 back on this transaction, and I think it was a good one. And also, what's so good is that the fact that they did take it back because it was defective. It said to call a company, to call CVS, but I didn't want to call. I took the whole thing back and bought this new blood pressure monitor. All right, guys, I just want to share with you. Thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up the video. Push the notification button so you'll be notified every time I put up a video. And also, I just wanted to share with you that when you deal with people from a standpoint of being positive, I mean, can nothing but positive happen. If you put out positive, that's the energy you get back. So I always put out positive. I'm friendly. I'm not friendly to a fault, because there was a man in the store talking to me, and his pants were almost up to his shin, S-H-I-N. They were high-watered pants, and he was saying, "Oh, the music is the music something." The only thing I could understand what he was saying was music. So I said, "Oh, the music is good." He said, "Oh, very positive." So I understood that. But some people I don't give too much tea to, because they may be a little eccentric or something. I don't know. But anyway, anyway, guys, be positive, okay? You can get more flies with honey. No, more bees with honey than you can with, like, salt. Salt is bitter. All right? So let's be positive. Okay, guys, love you much. I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.